Soon, Agrabah will be under my control, and
We'll be living a life of luxury. Yes, I know.
Caviar, manicures, big hat. Oh, that's the best part. Big old hat.
Hello, Abysmal, scourge of the desert.
Ah, the bird. I knew you'd be first to kiss up to Sultan Abysmal. What'd you bring me?
Well, the Sultan isn't turning to stone, see?
What?
He says the Sultan isn't...
I heard! But I am! I'm turning to stone! At least have the antidote, then we can all get on with our lives. Especially mine!
What were you doing in the Sultan's bath oils, huh? Answer me that!
Flaky skin?
Sir, all is not lost. We will simply trade the antidote to Iago.
For what? He's a bird! He has no hat!
Who is always foiling your plans? The only person you do not like more than the Ifrit? Blue? Magical? Don't help him.
A blue, magical, fish?
The genie, Einstein! The genie!
The genie?
Our little feathered friend gets the antidote in return for bringing us Aladdin's genie. And we conquer Agrabah trouble-free.
Genius. I'm glad I thought of it.
This isn't exactly what I had in mind.
You were saying?
One genie coming right up.
Please help me. My friend is turning to stone.
He is a victim of rocky frit venom.
Oh, she's good.
And only a rocky frit can save him.
Huh?
A scale from a rocky frit, removed and powdered, will break the spell.
Where can we get an Ifrit scale?
There should be a rocky frit nearby. I sold one to a man yesterday. He paid a lot for it. Rocky frit call. One blow summons a rocky frit. For a prize. For a bigger prize.
Ah, a woman after me own heart.
Harold, come here! Don't bring the spackle!
You shouldn't have blown that in here. The sound of the call drives the Ifrit mad with fury. It will not relent until it poisons its summoner with its venom.
Summoner? That would be you.